Durst's mission is to create the most reliable equipment on the market. How do they do it? They start with aircraft-grade aluminum or high-quality steel to minimize dimensional changes at normal operating temperatures. They fabricate the beam in small sections before assembling it. This allows for more precise alignment and also reduces harmonic distortions as the printhead carriage travels along the beam. Segmented construction assures this level of precision through manufacturing, shipping, installation, and years of continuous operation. Durst uses laser measuring during assembly to create a beam 5 meters long with less than 1 micron of deviation across its entire length. For perspective, a single human hair is 75 microns wide. That kind of precision is unique to Durst. The Durst printhead carriage runs on a magnetic linear drive, rather than the pulley system used by competitors. The magnetic drive eliminates vibration, which negatively affects ink consumption, speed, printhead life, and quality, and will cause wear on parts like the beam, the servo, and the motor drive. The wear and vibration from a pulley system will require more ink purges and can negatively affect image quality from deflections and clogging in the heads. This ultimately will cause print speed to decline over the years, as it will take more passes to cover up these flaws. Durst's magnetic linear drive also allows the carriage to accelerate and decelerate more rapidly, resulting in more accurate algorithms to determine drop placement. This means a Durst device can put a drop of ink within 2 microns anywhere on the print plane. These are just a few of the ways Durst builds precision and reliability into every machine.